Hi guys, welcome to our latest project, and this is our first commercial property that we are converting into a 7-bed HMO. Hi, I am Greta, and behind camera is my husband Daniil, and together we are the Vnoutchkovs. And last year we started property investment with zero experience to be able to quit our 9-to-5 jobs and have a financial freedom. And we're recording all our journey here on this YouTube channel. And if this is something that interests you, make sure to like and subscribe. Now, let me take you inside and show you all around. So this is used to be offices before, now it's fully vacant. The upstairs been empty for a while. Downstairs, we still had the tenants for a couple of months before. Now everyone is gone, so the property is completely empty and ready to start the renovation. Let me show you inside. As you can see, we have a really big rooms here. It's actually grade 2 listed building. So there is a lot of features that we will have to retain. However, we did have an amazing news last night and our 7-bed HMO has been fully approved right now. And once you actually go from commercial to 7 beds, you have to go through full planning, and it's been approved actually just in a couple of months. So we are super lucky on this one. Usually it doesn't take that fast, especially with the grade 2 listed buildings. So here is gonna be one of our bedrooms. Then we're gonna have another bedroom here. It's really good size. We have a great views through the windows, and we will have to open, we have to create a new opening for a new door here to the hallway, because right now it used to be just an office here. Let me take it to the back. So on this floor, we're gonna have 2 bedrooms. At the back here right now, there is an old toilet, which is gonna be a boiler room here. So we will have all the boilers, all the electricities. I'll take you straight away to the garden. Right now it's fully open, so we will have to do a bit of work here. We will have to remove this old staircase, which is council are pretty happy about it because we will retain more original features, because the staircase wasn't the part of like all the Georgian buildings, and we will have to create a new brick wall here, so it's closed off garden for the tenants. Now let me take you inside. So here it's gonna be a lower ground floor, which has big windows, and we are super lucky about it because we will be able to create one big kitchen. This is gonna be a separate utility room where we're gonna have a washing machine. And then this floor has 2 big rooms, which we're gonna fully open. We're gonna replace the door so it has more light, remove this wall, and this whole downstairs area is gonna be one big kitchen dining space for the tenants, so we can have still a very big bedrooms upstairs, and we don't have to use any of that space now. Let me take you back upstairs. So we are on the first floor right now, and just like downstairs, we have this old bathroom here at the back, which we gonna convert into one of the off-suites for one of the bedrooms. At the beginning, we thought to put the ensuite inside, but then we thought it has a quiet, good size, so we can save the room size for the tenant. Now let me show you additional 3 bedrooms on this floor. So we will be moving some walls here. As you can see, it has quite a big hallway right now, and we don't need this one. So we will be moving the layout here a little bit. But this is one of the rooms. We are actually really close to the city center, which is a big bonus. People who are working locally, they always wanna be able to walk everywhere. So location is really great. Then this one is one of the smaller rooms, but because we're gonna be moving the walls around, we will be increasing the size of this bedroom. And then we're gonna have another bedroom at the back. So this is another bedroom at the back, which is as well really nice size, reflecting the downstairs. And another big bonus to this property, it's has the loft already on the second floor. So that means we don't have to do any loft conversion, which saves quite a bit of money on the renovation. And obviously we can put 7 bedrooms in the current layout. Now let me take you upstairs. So now we are right now at the top floor, and this floor has a little kitchenette here. There used to be part of the office, and we're gonna be moving some walls here too. We're gonna be taking space from the landing to create an ensuite for one of the rooms. We're gonna be removing the walls to give space for this room, and then we're gonna have 2 bedrooms on this floor. So this is one of the bedroom, and then we have next door another bedroom. So this is all the current layout, and this is all the changes we're gonna do. I'm sure you wanna know about the numbers, so let me tell you all about it. So we bought this property for $155,000 pre-auction. It was about to go live on the auction in a couple of days, but we managed to secure it prior. We gave the vendor what she was looking for, and we were super lucky to get this property. We really didn't want it to go in a bidding war because we were sure it can go way above the price. So we are planning to spend on the renovation somewhere around £160,000, and we are looking to be valued at the end around $450,000. So if you would like to see how our other projects coming along, make sure to check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.